Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call. Today, Thursday the 23rd of March. Before we do get started, please understand that any advice in this session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, so let us kick off and let's have a look at what happened overnight in the US. Oil inventories, they rose to 5 million barrels for the week ending 17th of March. That's the 10th increase in 11 weeks. WTI fell as a consequence, but pretty much ended the day where it started, and the CAD was a little bit more affected, being a commodity currency. The other major news that happened overnight was in New Zealand, where the RBNZ had its rate decision. Well, rates remained unchanged at 1.75%, and although the central bank felt that the currency needs to fall further to balance growth and monetary policy requirements, they view that the current growth outlook is positive, and consequently the RBNZ has grown less and less dovish at recent meetings, and basically the confidence in the Kiwi is a little bit up. As a result, yesterday on the charts themselves, the Kiwi produced a doji, which really represented the two ideas that were basically happening in the market. All right, that was all that we had yesterday. Let's have a look at the chart of the day. And today I have one of those unique ones again. This is the US yen, and what I've highlighted for us here is, if for anybody of you can't notice what I'm trying to highlight, is we've had 7 consecutive days. Normally I like to take the trade at 8. Okay, now I feel that also on the US yen there was a lot of support in this area. Yesterday we dipped through very quickly, so generally it's this long tail also is an indicator that there's a lot of buyers that are coming in at this level that could push it toward further up. Now remember, with this particular method, we're not trying to get to some level up here. We're looking for a reversal day. That's all. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive days. So this candle has just started at the time that I've taken this screenshot. So we're looking for, typically the way that we would trade this, we're looking for anywhere between 30 to 60 pips. We're looking for a blue candle day. That's it. It's a statistical type of strategy. It's not based on anything else other than it's a rare occurrence. It doesn't happen very often. It's happened today on the US yen. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day. The US yen on a daily chart, 7 consecutive candles. Let's see if we get a blue one for today. All right, so what's happening in the session that's about to unfold? What do we have? 8:30 this evening, we have retail sales for the GBP. At 11:30, unemployment claims in the US, and at 11:45 we have Miss Yellen speaking. Let's see if she gives us any indicator as to sort of if we are still on track for a 3-rate increase for the year, and this may perhaps give the US dollar a little bit more direction. Now, as always, remember these times, guys, is in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Saving Times, otherwise Sydney time. That's all that's happening, the major events for the session that's about to unfold. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. And most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.